Good morning. Welcome to Green Care Clinic. How can I help you? Good morning. My name is Emma. I have an appointment today. Thank you, Emma. What brings you to the clinic?
I've had a bad stomach ache since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
About 5 minutes.
Great. I'll wait over here.
Hello, Emma. I'm Dr. Wilson. What seems to be the problem today?
Hello, doctor. My stomach has been hurting a lot.
Where do you feel the pain?
Right here in the middle of my stomach.
When did it start?
Yesterday afternoon after lunch.
Is the pain constant or does it come and go?
It comes and goes, but sometimes it's very strong.
Let me examine your stomach. Tell me if it hurts.
Ow.
Did you eat anything unusual?
I ate food from a street market.
That may have caused a mild stomach infection.
Is it serious?
No, you'll be fine with rest and medicine. I'll give you some medicine.
How should I take it?
Take 1 tablet after breakfast and 1 after dinner.
Should I drink plenty of water?
Drink lots of water and avoid spicy or oily food for 2 days.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
If you feel better, yes, but rest today.
Okay. I will follow your advice.
If the pain gets worse or you have a fever, come back to the clinic.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Goodbye.